this is actually the best oils for hyperpigmentation. Hey guys, for me, oil is the best thing that can happen to anybody that loves skincare. Like oil, like oil. You cannot go bad with oil if you're choosing the right oil for your skin. So on this video, that's what we are basically going to be doing. We are going to be choosing the right oil for your hyperpigmentation, for your dark spots, your dark circles, everything that you think you need to treat on your skin. Stay tuned on this video because that's what you're going to be treating today with the right carrier oil. The first on my list is sunflower oil. Yes, sunflower oil. Did you know that oil actually helps clean your pores? Like it clean your pores and make your skin glow? Or I used to love the opinion that oil actually does clog pores. No, it's not all oils that do clog pores. Okay, all right. So the first oil on my list is sunflower oil. Sunflower oil can never ever cause you to break out. Quote me wrong on the comment section. Like I've never witnessed anybody uses sunflower oil and gets breakouts. I have never witnessed it. Even if you add it to your lotions, to your soap, like to your facial cream, it does not clog pores. Go and read about sunflower oil. Yes, it's such a beautiful oil that you can use for your hyperpigmentation. Like when you want to sleep, you use it as your nighttime routine. Like just rub oil on your face and sleep with it, or probably after having your bath, you just want to rub the oil on your skin. Rub the oil on your damp skin and then go to bed. The next day, you're going to be glowing. The next oil on my list, because I don't want this video to be so long, so I'm going to be a little bit very fast. Okay, the next oil on my list is hemp oil. So many people are already testifiers of this oil. Like it works so well with hyperpigmentation, like sunspots, like all those, uneven skin tone. This oil focuses on that. So you can add this oil to your facial cream. You can use it on its own. You can apply it directly on your skin. It's a carrier oil and it does not clog your pores. It's so nice. You can break out with hemp oil. No, you cannot break out with hemp oil. You want to try it. Hemp oil is nice. Or if you do not want to make use of hemp oil, you can make use of products that has hemp oil. They are as well beautiful. Like they work on hyperpigmentation. So if you have problem of dark circles, if you have problem of acne spots, yes, if you've really been breaking out and it leaves spots on your face and you looking out to having a smooth beautiful skin and a glowing one at that, then you want to consider hemp oil. Just try it. You may think of going to buy their products, think of going to buy products that the base is hemp. Hemp will do wonders for your skin and you're definitely going to love it. I know you're going to love it. All right, the next oil on my list is rosehip oil. Like rosehip oil is really nice. The carrier oil that people that have mature skin should never lack rosehip oil. Like it helps a lot for dry skin and it's so light. The oil is very light. It does not cause acne. No, it does not. Rather, it is going to help treat your acne. It is going to help clear the spots that comes as a result of acne on your skin. So you may just want to try rosehip oil. You can just mix rosehip oil and hemp oil and use. You can mix the two and use at the same quantity and use on your skin. Like use it as your, body mask. Put it on your damp skin. Hey, you're going to love it. Like you are definitely going to love rosehip oil. You cannot go wrong with rosehip oil. And especially for our mamas in the house that are both 30, like you've topped 40 already, going 50, 60. Try to use rosehip oil, mix it with hemp oil. You can use it on your face. These oils I'm even talking about, I'm talking about it mainly for the face. They don't clog your pores and you're going to love the wonders it's going to do on your skin because it's going to even out your skin tone. So if you don't like a long process that because it's going to take a long time. It's not just a week. You know, this is organic. Like, we're talking about natural oils. So you don't expect it to just work maybe 2 days of you using it or 1 week of you using it. No, but I want you to just be particular about it for a month. Then you're going to see gradual change on your skin, and definitely you're definitely going to see it. So the next oil I'm going to talk about right now is tamarind oil. Yes, tamarind oil, maybe you've not heard of it, maybe not, maybe you have, but for people that have heard of this oil and probably was just thinking of whether to try it out or not, okay, I'm going to boost your morale to go try it out, because tamarind oil is bae, like tamarind oil, but it is very scarce. Like, even me, I was looking for it, I could not find it. What you're going to find is majorly product that contains tamarind oil. They're still very nice. Yes, you may just try to consider picking those ones to use. They're really, really lovely on the skin. Like, it focuses on spots. The smallest spot on your skin, tamarind oil is going to take care of that. Tamarind oil is bae. You can use it for your knuckles. You can add it to your cream and it's not going to give you knuckle. So if you are using any cream that is causing knuckle for you, you may just consider putting tamarind oil in your cream, and it's going to take care of the spots. It's going to take care of the spots. It's going to target the spots, sunspots, dark spots from acne, sunburns, and all that comes as a result of harsh chemicals or probably exposure to the sun, something, or maybe you made use of oils that actually did clog your pores. Okay, so you just consider making use of tamarind oil. Like, I testify to tamarind oil. It's greenish in color and it's really, really lovely. Give yourself 2 months and use it consistently and see how it's going to transform your skin. Like, you know, this flawless skin that browns, you know this skin that every spot on your body is brown, like it doesn't darken. You know, the dark creams you use and it leaves some part of your skin dark, for example your knuckles. Tamarind oil is going to help brown that part of your skin and it's going to be even and flawless. So you just would want to give it a try. Trust me, you're going to love it. So there are other oils in the market that does not clog pores. For example, you can make use of jojoba oil. Jojoba oil does not clog your pores. Like, jojoba oil is a mild oil you can use on your face. Like, you can use on your face and it works best. It works really nice for hyperpigmentation. So if you have a facial cream that you feel is very harsh, you may consider putting jojoba oil into it. Or if you want to use jojoba oil like that to treat your hyperpigmentation, like you want to use it like that on your skin without adding it to anything, you may want to consider adding rose oil to it. Rose oil is an essential oil, so you can just put like 5 drops of rose oil to your jojoba oil and use it to mask on your skin, on your facial skin. But be careful not to go under the sun if you're using it with rose oil, because it might cause redness for your face. But if you're using it plain like that, you can go under the sun. Yes, and oil serves as like it serves as a sunscreen. So I do not know why anybody would not love oil. Like, oil does serve as a sunscreen, so you can use oil like that. Like, the secret is, after having your bath, do not clean your body, apply this oil that I've mentioned on your skin, on your face, and you're good to go. If it is a day that you just want to go without cream, like, you do not have to rub cream every day on your body, but with this oil it maintains your skin and you do not go dark and you do not have burns, you do not have, it still maintains your glowing skin even when you're not using your moisturizer or your cream or your lotion. So my darling, you may want to try any of these oil that I've mentioned to you, and trust me, you're definitely going to love it because I have tried them. For example, you can add jasmine essential oil to your hemp oil or your rosehip oil. Those oil also, like, there's some essential oils that also works on, like, they do work on hyperpigmentation. So you can put some drops of jasmine oil into your maybe hemp oil or rosehip oil. Which one did I mention again? Any of the oils that I mentioned, just drop it and mask it on your dark spots. Give it time to work and you're going to love what it's going to do on your skin. Aside from this, you can add these oils that I've mentioned into your lotion. You can add this oil into your facial creams. You can add this oil into your bar soaps. You can add this oil into your shower gels. You can add these oils into your black soap. Yeah. You're going to love it. You're going to like come testify about it and tell people about these oils because they're really nice and great on the face. No matter even if you have an oily face, you still need oil. Still need oil to clean your pores. Because when you are dehydrated, that is what even causes the oil to be too much on your skin. Your skin will now try to survive. So your skin trying to survive now, your skin will turn oily. But if you're staying hydrated, drinking water, using right oils on your skin and at the right time, you will love what your skin will look like. It's like a polished, beautiful skin. So my darling, I hope this video be helpful to you. Let's just say these are the best pick of oils from Regina Victor for your hyperpigmentation. So go pick it up. See you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah!